That my friend. Is he at home? You're millionaire.
No, okay, I saw him drive out. He's not up to 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Should I open it?
Open it now. Hi.
This one you are worried. Anything the matter?
No, no problem. You won't understand now. You won't understand.
What is happening this time around? Because you know, I'm very, very sorry about the other day.
You mean yesterday?
Yes, no. Your children trying to beat you. It's too bad.
You know, that is why in this world, it is always good to listen first before you take action. Those my children, they are good though. They are good children. So that when I told them that I didn't have any money at home, then all of a sudden they saw me drinking 3 bottles. You see?
It's because I didn't mean that they listened to you that time.
You saw when I was trying to tell them that they should wait, that I will explain. But because of the anger, because I've not paid their school fees now, that's why they just beat me from here. Later on, young millionaire came home. He gave me that money for their...
That day?
That yesterday.
Like seriously.
Even as they were beating me.
Hi, you see, I told you that man is a nice man. Oh.
I paid for their school fees now.
Thank God, at least you will have rest now.
Rest? Rest? For this world?
Now, because you have paid for the school fees.
So you mean as I pay school fees now I can rest? Madam, that's why I say you won't understand. Problem they finish for this world. Problem not they finish.
They are fighting you because you have not paid the school fees.
You mean that now that I've paid their school fees, my problem is finished? As I don't solve this one now, at least 20 more still they wait for me. You know?
But what about your wife? I hope at least she's doing something, right?
She has been helping, but she's tired of helping now.
At least she'll be helping you at the same time now. So,
Madam, I don't know how long Milona will stay now.
But did you know you will come here?
She didn't know.
That is it.
You didn't know.
It's all.
Madam, at least, let me go and see somebody. If I stay here now, waiting, I don't know the time he will be coming back. And I don't have my phone again to call him. I don't know whether he's coming back now. So let me go and come back. I'll come back in the evening. I'll come back in the evening.
Okay.
For my drink, if he comes, he will pay now.
Okay.
Even if he doesn't pay, if I come back in the evening, I'll pay.
It's okay, I know you know. No problem.
Sir, this is the man I was telling you about. The man has been suffering. I'm so proud. So I brought him so that you can help us. You have been helping so many people.
Okay. Thank you very much. I hope if you can help me, I'll be very, very grateful. Because as you see me so, I don't suffer no be small. I don't suffer for this world. And because of money. Because of money.
It's okay. I have some clients in my shrine. Okay? So let me attend to them. In a few minutes time I'll get back to you.
Okay, sir. Okay. But sir, where are we going to now? At least you should tell me so that I will know where we're going to.
Say you should relax. He that brought you to me knows why he brought you to me. So relax.
Butu, calm down. I know. Butu.
Relax. Alright? As I told you, see this house?
Yes. It's a big house.
This man came to me when he was nobody. Right? He was just ordinary Okada man. For a few years, he has this mansion like this in Abuja, Lagos, Port Harcourt. So what are you talking about? We are talking about billions here. That you young handsome man thinking. You have what you have to get what you want.
So what do I do now? So what do I do to get something like this?
My friend, get inside the car. Okay? Get inside the car.
Yo, you say so. I'll get inside the car.
Get inside.
I'll get inside the car.
The young millionaire.
Madam opened it herself.
Good evening.
Good day.
Did you see your friend?
Which of my friends?
The man that you came with yesterday.
Okay.
That you asked me to give drinks.
You mean Ogade?
Yes.
Oh, did he come here?
He came here today, yes. He's worried. He was looking for you. And I now told him that you went out.
I see.
That he wasn't around.
Oh.
He took one bottle of life.
Did he pay you?
No. He said that you will pay me.
No problem. How much is it?
250.
Okay. Take.
Thank you very much.
You can keep the change.
Thank you. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay now.
Yeah. You've seen it all.
I don't see him now. I don't see the house, the big building. But how you go take help me now? This is my condition, sir. It don't tire me. It don't tire me. How you go take help me now?
The ball is in your court. In everything in this life, there must be a price to pay. Okay?
Price?
Yes.
So what is the price now?
The price is not much more than 500,000 to solve the problem. For us to buy the equipment.
500,000?
Yes.
500,000. So. Hey! Okay. To get money, no day easy. Okay, if I have that 500,000 naira, I'm not even come to you now. Yeah? If I have even 100,000 self, if I have even 50,000 naira, I go find something where I go do now. If I have 500,000, I go buy keke now. They ride them. I don't have money. That's my problem.
Now, how many kids do you have?
Just four girls.
You have 4 daughters.
Yes, sir.
Your problem is already solved.
You know them?
Yes.
You know them?
Your problem is solved.
God,
Yes.
So how we take do them now?
Oh man. All you need to do is to sacrifice one of them to take care of the remaining 3.
No, okay, Semenian.
Now you use her, you train the other ones, you make yourself, you become what you ever want to become, and your lovely wife, and your business, and other things.
Okay. This guy not explain this thing to me very well, This thing, now this it's something why I go. Now this I go sleep over this issue now. It's not something you go just wake up and decide, because you not tell me everything like this. You just say because of my condition, make you take me to somebody who will help me because of my condition. So just give me time, make I think over it.
Okay. He brought you to the right place, so you better think fast.
Okay, now that's it. Let me think about it. I'll get back to you, sir.
Better do.
Thank you, sir.
Better do.
Okay. So you brought me to somebody who wants me to sacrifice my daughter to make money.
It's for your own good. It's for your own good.
My own good? My daughter?
I feel like they like it.
You want to sacrifice my daughter? Everything you will not sacrifice your own daughter. Don't try to bring me to such a place again. How do you expect me to sacrifice my daughter to make money?
You like loud?
Go. Don't near me again. Okpoko!
Look at the chief.
Now your house I go now. Your wife say you never come back from work.
Oh God, now God do am o. I know they look person's face. I dey for office work, Oga.
Office work? Where your keke now?
Keke? You dey look for keke? You don't know people? You don't collect them back.
Which people?
My master now. Just 3 months remaining before I get that problem. I tell you that time, you don't collect the keke.
Keke when you ride for a year, 6 months, the man collect.
They look people face now. I know they look people face, Oga. But I tell you now.
So what do you do now? So where you come from now?
From my office work, Oga. Office work. Now God they do am.
Office work.
They collect my own money.
See, Okpoko, see you. I beg, just help me. If I tell you the kind of problem why they inside now, wait to see me so it don't pass problem self. Collect me for that office work. Why if I see you I go they get small money. If now one day I go get 200, 500, 1,000, I'm okay. Just connect me now. I'll be your friend though.
This thing where they tell me now, you go fit do the work. You dey serious?
I dey serious now. See, if you see the kind of problem why I get now, nothing why I don't fit do. Honestly, I don't feel kill. I don't feel kill. But you know nothing where I go do to suffer, to make money, I go do them.
May not come my office, can't cast you, cast anybody. I think it's they see me. I think they see me.
Okay, sir.
So, where did they go? Now God. See all these rich men where will they go? They beg. 1 night, 2 nights. They go give you 1 kobo.
Oh, fix me now.
No wahala. See, tomorrow morning by 6:30, carry extra cloth. And see me now, officer, they come back. My bucket don't full. See my bag.
Na money full am.
You no go understand. When you come our office, mind your business, do the business, you get the money.
By 6 o'clock in the morning, I go to your house.
The young millionaire.
Madam,
Hi, good afternoon.
Madam,
Welcome. Hi.
how are you?
Thank God.
Did my friend come here again?
No, he didn't come again. Anything the matter?
No, I have been calling his line. But switched off.
Last time that he came here, he was telling me that he can't get you. That is why he was waiting for you that morning. But do you know his house?
Yes, I do. But I can't go there now. I don't have that kind of time.
No. Try and go to his house and see him. At least you find out whether he has a problem or he's your friend, remember.
This is not live here now. This is not live here. At least make I sleep here. I not fit to go home. If I go home, Amanda and her mother with her sisters, they will kill me. Even if they don't kill me, landlord will come in the morning, as he said. He will come with thugs, and he can do anything what he likes. I cannot even go back to Young Millionaire because I will take them and say, the 500,000 will you give me just today, this morning. Say I'm robbers, don't collect them from me. Make I sleep here. In the morning I'll go meet Okpoko. Like we said, he go take me to the office. From there I go hustle, get money. Then if I come back home, I carry the money where I take hustle, where I hustle from. Clear my debts, pay for my landlord, pay for my children's everything. Everything, money go there. Happiness go there for my house. Make I sleep here. I know some person don't live here. I'm sleeping. But make I come out my clothes. Make it not dirty. Because I go carry and go office. I go carry and go office tomorrow with Chokoko. It's my condition. It's my condition. Oh God, now only you sabi why the thing happened to me. I know say I be sin, but make mercy for me, God. I know say I be sin against you, God. But mercy for me now. See as my pikin dey suffer. God, make mercy for me now. God, make mercy for me. As I pray for you, so make mercy for me. Forgive me all the sin why they commit. Just mercy for me. In Jesus' name, amen. They don't let me break. Hey, Okoko, don't leave me. Okoko, leave me. Go office. Hey, Okoko, leave me. Go office. Hey.
Miss you. Madam, good morning.
Morning. How are you, my son?
I'm fine.
Frank, I know this face. Your face is very familiar.
I'm not getting much friend now.
Okay. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you. Is your husband around?
Oh, he went out since yesterday morning. I've not seen him.
I expected him yesterday, but I didn't see him. And I was calling his lines. Not reachable.
I don't know where he went to. I don't know.
When you run your matter, me did they tight.
Chief.
Chief. Baba. Chief. Baba. Chief.
Attention.
My chief.
I can see you guys are having good time here.
Yes, chief.
Yeah. The deal is done.
The native doctor is done with the girl.
Go to his place and dispose of the girl. I hope you got your lots.
Sure.
Chief. Remember, this is the first contract I'm giving you. Don't mess me up.
Chief, you should know me now. Tell to know the disappoint. Me and my boss, nothing they happen.
I did tell you.
Now we they run this town. Chief.
No, now this is my friend. Now he tell me to make a wait here.
My friend. I said my friend.
Sorry now, sorry.
Bushman.
I don't show. I don't walk. How are you? Hey! No, we don't come walk. Mike, go come. My friend. My man, we don't reach you. We don't do office.
Okay. Now what is this now?
Office.
You tell me say they go office. Say they work for office. And you go carry me go office. You don't carry me come for bottle bullshit.
We do office, no Siam. We don't work now. You don't see guys.
You don't work. You don't carry me come for bottle bullshit.
You don't come.
What now?
You don't reach office. See, I know come joke for Kristaya. Why they tell you? Now business we dey here. Now money. What do we find come here now money? Before everything in my pocket go full. Come say office of your. This place na office. Understand? See my guys, all of them dey host. You won't come here come dey waste my time.
Okay, which can't be this now? Okay, you at least you tell me the truth now. You tell me the truth, say now. But which kind of truth? Share up your office. So that I could prepare myself, prepare my mind, prepare my soul, prepare my head. Your man won't work for office, Abi. Where your certificate? Same trouser, idiot. Because this canteen, I don't like this canteen, no. Why don't you do this canteen now?
You go like to go and beg people. Where they give you money? Hold on.
But what did you tell me here today? I'm not even just begging him.
This one na my man. Okay, carry your man come up for here now. No, no first now. Now my friend, I won't help him.
You won't do it.
I won't help him. Now me join up to do.
You won't help him. See person, you won't help another person. You never help yourself finish. You won't help person. Your village, none of you get money. No barrel pusher. All these people they sell rubbish.
Okay, your own village get money. You can't do same job.
You get money now. I saw go one time. Now we won't do the business.
Okay,
I get money now.
So one make it.
Come out for here, Boki.
You don't like.
Check that motor. Check that motor. Okoko. This is what you do now. I don't like Camo. I don't like Camo. Calm down. You see, everybody for this side they trace. All this go down in that village. This is what you do, man. I don't like Cam. I don't like Cam. If not because of this my condition.
You don't make me come the follow here. Come the complain.
I don't blame you now. My condition and they blame. See the idiot wey carry from village enter township. You tell us say they work for office. Welcome to office. Welcome. See office work. See your office here. See your office work.
This is a hustle. Where is Ogari?
Sir, he's not around.
Where did he go to?
He has not come back since yesterday. That was what my auntie told me, the wife.
And where is your auntie?
My auntie, she went to the market. She has not come back yet.
Anyway, I've not been seeing him yet. Where?
Sir, I'm the younger sister to Brother Ogadi.
If Ogadi comes back, tell him that I said he should pack out. He should leave my house. I don't want any excuses again. He should leave my house. You understand me? I am coming back with talk, so I am coming back. There will be no mess. Tell him to pack out, though. Enough is enough, though. I am coming back with talk, so. Okay, that's the
If you dare sit here, I will show you the American healthy carrier.
Come here, like this. Come here. What is happening? You don't just come from today. Come, not right. No, you can't use that. You don't know what I'm going on. Don't do now. Come now, my people. What are you looking at this?
Chief, so you didn't tell us that this is what you want to use that girl to do.
Which girl are you talking about?
You're asking me which girl? The last girl that we brought to you.
And so? What about her?
The news is everywhere. Her body was found at the edge of the village. That you used her for ritual. And you're asking me what about her? I think you don't know.
Chief, you should have told us. What if they trace her to us? Nikki, don't worry. Rosie, don't worry. This is my business. I'll handle it very well on my own way. You don't need to be afraid. Meanwhile, come to my office tomorrow morning so that I will give you a check that will put a smile on this your ugly face.
Also come to your office. I'm not coming to your office. If you know anything you want to give to us, give it to us.
Now, not tomorrow.
Yes, we'll come to you.
Rosie, you know this is where you bad too.
Let me bad.
Don't worry, I'm coming. Are you okay now? Then give me a call tomorrow, okay?
See, my man, where they are now, I no get money. Making just they pay small. May you pay the money finish. I beg. I don't tell say everybody they register. So may you register, may you pull off the work. I beg.
You carry this idiot for village and that I should make come fight me for my own back. Okay?
If no be one thing, I will kill this man. I swear. Just make it up. You know me now. You know.
See what you cause. I come the separate one. I see the fight. And you no tell me say you won't come here. Come carry ball and enter.
I come. I don't see you now. What you want make I do? I don't make I the house until when you come.
Wait till I provoke this man.
No. Wait. Jay, you know me very well. I don't like anything with it. Make me less. Because me as camera. And if I don't see it today, no.
I beg you, man.
I just kill him. You. Kaka on your head.
You carry kaka pop. You see?
You carry this poverty. Make you
Men are no verse again. Okay, you don't want to fight me. Okay, see my body.
You know talk about your own. See, you don't start again. We don't take to make me. Wait, I beg, man, you know.
Men are no verse again.
See,
in tell me, say, in don't tell me everything. Say when I the register, say na 5,000 naira. But the problem is, me I don't get money.
I would fall. Go buy.
I don't get money. I don't say.
You don't join under one.
You don't tell me say when I get union now. Me I want time on a union or Baro push a union, but I don't get the money. Somebody just help me. Tell me say when I help him. Saying they pay you 200 naira every day. Every day.
We just become a kaka. We are
not a kaka. We are not a cow. I'm going to pay my. I agree.
See, if you know as you just help me, make me help my brother. See, just like that.